In this video, we will go over how to add more levels to the project, starting from our main menu scene. If you go into the prefab for the main menu game object, we can edit the UI pages the game object contains. Let's click on the level select page and turn it on in the inspector so we can see it. You can see that it has several buttons already set up for level 1, 2, and 3, but we don't actually have a level 2 or 3 yet. To add more levels to our game, we need to first create scenes for them. If we don't want to start completely from scratch, we can duplicate an existing level in the project folder. Let's do that for the sake of an example. Let's go to the Scenes folder, select the level 1 scene, and press Ctrl and D or Command and D to duplicate the scene. This will create a new scene which we will rename Level 2. It will be the same as our Level 1 scene, since it is just a copy right now, but we are just using it as an example to show how we would add more levels to the project. Let's click back on our level select page, and then let's take a look at the level 2 button. If you scroll down in the inspector, you can see it has a button component. Buttons in Unity can be used to call functions and scripts you write when the button is clicked on. You tell it what functions to call through the onClick section. As you can see, this one is already set to load level 2. So long as the scene we just named, level 2, is spelled the same way as it is here, this button will load that scene when it is clicked. Of course, we have to remember to put the new scene in the build settings first. We do this from File, Build Settings, and then we can drag the new level to the bottom of the list. This is the most often forgotten step, so be sure to double check that the levels you want in your game are included here. Next, we can test this by turning our level select page back off and returning back to our main menu scene by pressing the back arrow here. If we enter play mode now and click on level select level 2, you can see that the scene loaded in the hierarchy says level 2, so we know this is working. But now we need to add our level 2 to the full gameplay loop. If you remember when we made the game loop the first time, our level 1 just cycles back to our main menu. So we need to go into our level 1 scene. Find our in-game UI canvas, then the level win screen, then the next level button. And make that button load our level 2 instead of our main menu. Now we will have added a level to our game loop. Let's go back to our main menu scene and make sure this works. Let's start by starting a new game. We complete level 1 and go to next level. And you can see in the hierarchy that we have loaded into level 2. Then let's beat this game and go to the next level, which loads us back to the main menu. Now let's make sure our level select level 2 button works. And that brings us into level 2, as we can see in the hierarchy. So our game loop works with a new level added to it. Of course, the level is just a placeholder for our demonstration. As you expand your game, you will want your level 2 to be different from your level 1.